you, our Father, ruler of the universe, who has given us rest through Jesus our Messiah, and invites us to experience his coming kingdom, beginning with the lighting of the candles of Shabbat.
You would.
Get it in here. It's Isaiah. May the Lord make you like Ephraim and Manasseh, and give you the faith of Abraham, the heart of David, and the righteousness of Christ, as you build our family from generation to generation.
Rachel, and Leah, and give you the heart of Ruth, and the faith of Mary, and the righteousness of Christ, as you build our family from generation to generation.
I voted to do that.
There was evening and there was morning, the sixth day was complete. This, the seventh day, is different from all other days. Today is the day we make sacred. After wrestling with the world for 6 days, we pause and set this day apart. On this day, we free ourselves from work and other routine obligations. We become free. Let this time that we spend together be a time of joy, a time for rest and closeness, when we can reflect on what is important in our lives and show our love for each other. What is Shabbat?
You just said
Shabbat is stopping and ceasing, a spirit of rest and ease, relaxing in God's goodness. It is a practice, a discipline, and a formation by which we cultivate a spirit of restfulness all week. We put off work, worry, the thought of work, wanting, and enjoy what we have instead. Resting our mind, body, and spirit by sleeping, being quiet, time in nature, being with family and friends. We delight by celebrate the goodness of God, of life and joy, and we feed it with beauty. When we worship, we center God in our hearts with thankfulness, adoration, and love toward God.